Alright, so tonight I'm going to do a quick demo of the game so far, progress we've made over the last 2 weeks. Basically wired together the dialogue test program that allowed you to walk around the world and talk to people and things like that, and the battle system itself. So hooked those two together. It was kind of an ugly mess, but ended up getting those two integrated together along with the CSV flat files for the data in the game. So all the abilities, the items, the effects, all that is comes through in the flat files. So all that's put together. So I'll show a quick demo, and then we're going to look at a store system. So implementing a store. So we pull up the game here. The RPG. So this is the latest build on the dev branch. So let's start it. So here's a new splash screen. So the easy, medium, and hard battles, going directly to the battles, that's disabled right now. In the future that will be there, so you can go directly to test battles out, but right now that's disabled. Let's go to our world map. We can enter our town. So we can still talk to some people. Nice to meet you. And where to buy things. Buying stuff from the blacksmith. So this is where we're going to make our stores at the blacksmith. End conversation. So now we also have we got gold and a longsword. So the items we got from Zoe are they're in our inventory, and those are also going to be accessible through the battle. So we walk up here, it's going to trigger a battle. So this is the battle scene. It's not using the same map and models, but that's easily rectified. So right now we're using a custom battle map I made, and we also have our enemies here. So right now I don't have a rat model in this program, but these are rats. Call them rat men, I guess. So you can see here's our equipment. We can go to weapon, and we can equip the longsword that we got from the dialogue. And we can move over here. So just like the old battle system, this collision works, so we can't walk into this rock here, things like that. So the collision was built from a regular tiled map. We imported it in, scanned through the collision objects, and created a tile set from that. So I'm just going to attack these guys. Looks like our AP on our weapon's not really working, but no big deal. Kill these guys here. And attack this guy. Alright, there we go. We defeated the battle. Looks like the quest fee is not working, huh? I disabled that. We killed the rats and found this gold tooth. End conversation. So now we have our gold tooth, and old key. The funny thing is we equipped a longsword and we removed our bare hand. So that's, things like a bare hand weapon, that kind of thing will have to be hard-coded in a special case for that. Basically, that's what we have now. So we have, the world where you can move around and go to different zones and explore and stuff and talk to people is also wired up to the actual battle game. So that's a big step. That's a lot of progress. Actually, it took a good bit of wiring, just because kind of those two programs were built a little bit differently, and now they're sharing data, which is pretty key. And they're also able to use, instead of a tile map created explicitly by, before it was just a flat file of X's and dashes defining our tile set for our battle. Now we're actually using a tiled map that was able to be created and tiled and dragging and dropping tile sets, and boxes for collision and stuff. So it's a lot easier to make zones to play in for both exploring and the battles themselves. So that's where I'm at now. This is the current build. So let's work on building a store. So I'm going to stop this.